shimmy.
You been hanging out with Cousin Clay again?
Just a little shimmeroo, shimmeroo doodad, and you give it a little jiggle wiggle, and it just does a little pop-a-lop, come right out.
That's how you do it in Houston. Flew for real for sure. All right, here we are again. The Chameleons. We came out with 2 new sizes, so now we have a 2-footer, a 3-footer, and a 4-footer. One with the sharp tip and one with the rounded tip. These babies are designed to be just a little bit flexy to help you get around the contour. You can follow the contour of your fenders, your quarters, your doors, get around the brace, get in there into the tight spots. Got a nice long flag to push. Perfect for bottom body lines, into the fender, all of that stuff. So I love them, guys. I'm biased, but check them out at dentreaper.com or at pdrtool.com on A1 site, and I hope you love them. Thanks again to Chris for giving me the opportunity to show you these, and check us out at Dent Reaper on Instagram, and thanks again so much to Chris. All right, have a good one, guys.